Hey everyone, Veronica here with Daily Foods, and I'm back again today to share with you a super quick and super easy freezer meal prep. We're going to meal prep 6 vegan soups using Trader Joe's ingredients. All of these are less than $2 per serving, and this should be a super quick meal prep. So, all we're going to do is portion the ingredients that you see on the screen right now into the designated bags. And we're going to make minestrone soup, vegetable bean soup, vegetable farro soup, chickpea masala soup, broccoli soup, and tomato rice soup. The equipment that you're going to need is 1 measuring spoon, kitchen scissors, can opener, and a cup measure. So let's get started. All right, and there is 6 freezer soups made with vegan dump ingredients from Trader Joe's. And that was super quick. It took me maybe about 10 to 15 minutes to portion all of these soups into the freezer bags. And now these are just going to go into the freezer. I'm going to freeze them laying flat so that they are easy to store. And when I'm ready to cook these, all I have to do is open the bag, dump all of the contents into a stock pot, and then simmer for about 30 minutes with 6 cups of water added to each soup. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this vegan dump meal prep freezer edition. If you like these videos, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for tuning in to Vegan Meal Prep School. Have a great day. Bye.